Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
You are here with Careface CVP, and as I say, up there, with your help, up there, we will be going. And we're at York University, where we're covering Mr. Larose 85 birthday. So big up on yourself, subscribe, like, comment, and share. All right? Up there. Yes, this is Careface CVP, and we're here with none other than Peter Blake. This is a spokesperson for the great Mr. Winston Larose, or you could say Mr. Dr. Winston Larose. What do you have to say about Mr. Larose, Mr. Peter Blake?
Well, I must say today is Mr. Larose's 85th birthday.
All right.
And as usual, on his birthday, he chose to run the 100-meter invitational here. As a matter of fact, this is his 17th year of running, and we're going to give thanks to York University for allowing us to use their track every year. York University is in the local Jane and Finch area and the outskirts here, and it's a beautiful day. The sun has come out and the heavens have opened up, and the weather is really beautiful. As usual, every year for some reason, because of the great man's birthday, the weather does come around beautiful. So as I said, it's another year to give, thanks to celebrate the icon of legend, Mr. Winston Larose's birthday. And rain or shine, holiday or snow, we're here, October the 10th.
How old is Mr. Larose today?
85 young.
So he's 85 years old today, and he actually run the whole of this field.
Definitely. And I just want to let you know he's also Masters champion in the 100 and 200 and long jump.
What?
So this is a gentleman that has a lot of accolades, especially in the year of sports, because he has been a nurse all over these years from, I think in the 60s in British Guyana, from Guyana back in the days, and England and Canada. And he, as I said, this is his choice to do a 100-meter for his birthday. No birthday is bigger than running the 100-meter, the race of his life.
85-year-old man, you know what I mean?
Definitely.
Give thanks.
And he's still beating young people,
yeah,
30 and 40
that's
and
what
20
I get to understand.
Yeah.
So I want to talk, he done a lot of activist work all over the world, right? I know he worked in Canada and Guyana. I heard he did something in Jamaica too. What do you have done in Jamaica?
Well, he always take his yearly trip to the Maroon Town celebration. He's a honorable Jamaica,
Guyanese Jamaica.
Guyanese, but
born in Guyana.
Jamaica more than a lot of Jamaicans, so
yes,
he always made that
more
trip to
than
the Maroon Town.
Big up Mr.
And
Larose.
he has done a lot of work there in Jamaica. So definitely Jamaica is almost like his second home, from home.
He does a lot of community work in Jane and Finch, the community itself.
Well, since around 1995, that's when he actually started, and definitely, actually, he knows the Jane and Finch more than even people born in Jane and Finch, because everything that goes on in Jane and Finch, Winston Larose, Doctor, is the center of it.
So
he's a name.
So by being in the community for so long, how is it benefiting him?
Well, some people, do work, right? And some people, they have a calling, purpose on their life to serve. So I would consider them as a servant of the people here in Jane and Finch. And as you know, most times, the Jane and Finch Concerns organization is a last resort for those who are desperately in need. Whether it's mental health, housing situation, tenant landlord situation, police brutality, any form of disciplinary, action. He is the one who doesn't ask for money. He goes straight to work, because the people's work is his business. So I must say he's the one who gives his life to give back, and he's a true servant of the people. As a matter of fact, almost anybody who would like to come into the political corridor of Jane and Finch, they come and see Mr. Larose in some form of some capacity. Most time he's the first person that they come to open the gates to enter the community, because they would like a wonderful introduction into the community. So he definitely accommodates almost every politician that comes in to run. They come and see the Jane and Finch Concerns organization, since they've been there since 1978. They come and see the big man, Winston Larose.
Yes,
some people say Uncle Winston.
Yes, some say doctor.
As a dear.
Some say father.
Yeah.
the big project that's going on Jane and Finch right now?
Well, Winston Larose was the one who has the key to the city. He was the honorable conductor for that LRT Metrolinx that you see that are the most major work that is going on through Jane and Finch. He was one who opened and cut that ribbon, for that LRT that will be passed through Jane and Finch. So he was there talking about the history of the community, history of the area.
Along new transit system, Jane and Finch are becoming a new center for tourism.
I just say there's anything happening in Jane and Finch, Mr. Larose is always the head of it. If he's not at the head of it, he knows about it.
He's the center.
Right?
Yeah.
He's some part in
the man who is a name.
He's in it. He's in it. He's always
Peter
in
Blake
it.
here signing out.
Big up.
One love.
Give thanks.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.